Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback. It's a 1 litre TSI SEL 115 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, driver alert system, a light and sight pack, a jacking toolkit, along with these 17-inch Pamplona alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, 2-zone climate control and a multimedia interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.